Hello, and this is Connor's bike check, starting from front side to the back. Okay, we've got gusset grips, salt glow in the dark grips, felt bars, don't know what they are, they come with a base. We've got an exposure clutch stem in blue, got two random spacers, don't know what they are. We've got an FSA the Pig headset, forks, a felt forks. We've got a Savage rim with Quando hub and Quando spokes in black and blue, random dust cap. We've got Diamondback axle adapters. I'm just going to hold this. Going onto the frame, we have a felt base frame, 18.5 inches, which I don't like. Keep smacking my knees on the stem or the bars. Okay, we're going down. We've got a stolen seat clamp, a Shadow Conspiracy one-piece seat, a US bottom bracket which can be converted to a mid-size. We've got a blank half-link chain, Savage sprocket, got stolen mob cranks, one's darker than the other. Got gusset PCP pedals in blue, which I like. Going towards the back a bit more, we've got an awesome dust cap. Same thing, it's got a 9-tooth driver, Quando hub, Quando spoke, Savage rims, and we've got Maxi's hookworm tyres. So, yeah.